So you want to buy a washing machine and you want to save some money. So you're looking to buy a used washing machine. I'm going to tell you how to buy a washing machine and not get ripped off. Okay, the first thing you need to know about a washing machine is you cannot fully test it unless you run it all the way through. Okay, so that's about a half hour of your time, 45 minutes, however long it will take. When you sat there for a half hour, 45 minutes, who has that time? No one. But if you have that time, you still might run into some problems, but that's the best way to make sure that you're not getting ripped off, is to sit there and watch it run. If you're buying it used on Craigslist or from a personal owner. I don't recommend that because I don't think you have time to waste letting it run for 45 minutes. So I highly recommend, if you're going to buy a used washing machine, I'm not talking about a dryer, I'm not talking about other appliances like a refrigerator, I'm talking about a washing machine. I would not buy a washing machine from anyone but a vendor, a company, a storefront that sells used washing machines, and they have a warranty on them. You have to get a warranty. The longer the warranty, the better, because washing machines are finicky and they will cause problems. So again, do not buy a used washing machine from a private person. I highly do not recommend that. Also, you'll have to bring pliers to take them off, and a lot of people don't know how to disconnect them and turn off the water before they do that. They're bottom heavy, so you have to carry them with your dolly. It's a little weird to carry. I just say stay away from washing machines.